So can you tell me more, like how much are you asking them per month
Uh,
if you could deliver 15 clients per month?
I used to work for like 1,500 per month.
1,500 per month.
Mm-hmm.
That I'm guaranteeing, I'm offering them 15 clinics, in clinics appointment showing up. So which means 15 people come into their door,
Okay.
or we don't get paid. And I told them the budget is minimum $35 a day, but we recommend them to maybe like around 1,500 to maybe 1,800 a month.
Okay.
So do you think that's a very possible target or no?
That's a very possible target because, as I mentioned to you, one of the doctor that I'm working for, he's spending 500 per month, and that is like around $16 per day. So for that doctor, we are getting leads $7 per day, $7.60, and he also already got 52 leads in 1 month.
In 1 month, and okay, it's 500. Okay, cool. And do you guys use a prepaid system or no?
What do you mean prepaid system? I didn't get that.
So I found some agencies, they use a prepaid system, meaning that once they book an appointment, they're gonna ask the lead to prepaid. Maybe if the offer is $50, they can ask, hey, can you prepaid $20 for to save your spot or something like that. Is that something that you do or no? Because I just don't want to feel it's so scammy to the customer's end. But of course, if you get prepaid, of course, it would guarantee more appointment showing up, right?
I didn't work with that system, prepaid system.
Okay,
I
cool.
didn't work with that.
Cool. So I guess the system now is okay. And on top of that here, so the pay here, because I'm offering pretty not that much here. So right now I'm offering you around like 40, 35 to 40% of the share of the per client per month, meaning that it's around 500 to 550 per month. If we do generate 15 appointments showing up. So what do you think about that offer? So are you against into it or no?
So you're offering like I have to take care of the ad campaign and the high level workflow as well, both.
Uh, I can take it the go high level. You can take it the maybe you just need to help me a little bit. I know go high level. I can make the system and the workflow. I know how to make the everything. But it's just my pro because you are not gonna do the what do you call it, the appointment setting. I have to get somebody else, or I have to do it myself. So if we do deliver results, 15 clients showing up to their clinics, so it would be around for you 500 to 550 per month if we do deliver 15. So what do you think?
It
So
is
your
kind
job mainly
it is kind of
Facebook
low
ads,
because I work more than that.
because I don't, to be honest, I don't really know what's the rate right now, or like what's the market price, because this is my second week looking for media buyers. So can you tell me more, like how much are you asking them per month
Uh,
if you could deliver 15 clients per month?
I used to work for like 1,500 per month.
1,500 per month.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, it's a bit out of my budget, to be honest.
So let me know, like, are you already running the system, or you are starting the business from scratch, or you have the team already to
No, it's
do
from
it?
scratch. So right now it's just myself.
So who is going to close the deal? Are you going to be
Me.
the closer? You're going to be the
Yes.
closer.
So I already have a couple clients. Not it's not still the deal, but I already have them. It's the second call. They're gonna, there's a couple second calls already, and I'm gonna close it there. So and I have more calls already. So maybe this week at the end of the week I can approximate there is one client. And yeah, for now it's just myself. So basically now I'm doing everything by myself.
And so you'll be closing the deals. You are booking the appointments as well.
Yeah, I'm doing the outreaching. I'm doing the sales calls. I'm doing the closing, and right now, even like with the go high level, the automation and everything, I'm building it myself. So what I'm missing right now is just the Facebook, like somebody who can help me with Facebook ads.
Okay, that's great. And uh, What's your plan? How are you gonna spend the Facebook? You gonna take the credit card from the doctors, or you gonna spend the Facebook
Yes.
money from your card?
No, it's from the doctor. So the doctor is responsible paying for the Facebook ad
Mhm.
and paying for the fee for the SMS using Gohala phone because there is a fee 2 cents per SMS or 1 cent depending on what kind of number. So it's not that much, but their budget is pretty. I told them to spend at least. So basically, what I'm offering them. I'm offering them around 1600, 1688, 700, 1700, and I have to. So for you, it's 550, 500 to 550, but I have to take care of all. I have to hire another appointment setting too, another couple hundred, and then I
So
have to pay all the
will
software
there
and
be any
everything.
option in the future you raise the salary, or it is gonna be fixed?
No, definitely, because I'm like I said, if you can do something like that, if you can deliver results, then my next offer wouldn't be 1688. You know what I mean? I would put like 25 or 3 grand. So you can get at least a grand. You know what I mean? But the reason why I'm offering them 1600 is because I don't know where I'm at. Meaning that I don't have a resource that I can give them. So I have to eyeball the mark. You know what I mean? Kind of like eyeball the offer. So I kind of have to work with trial, fail and trials. Trying something and fail and then keep trying and fails. So once we get one case study, I can offer them. I can offer them like 3 grand, 2 grand, and I can give you close to a grand a month or maybe a grand at least.
That's great. That's great.
So this is why like
I can do that. Is there any way you can offer me a percentage of commission, like 10%, 5% of commission, aside from the 500, 500 or 550? Is it possible or not?
affirmations meaning.
Like once you close a deal, like you close a deal for 2 grand, for 3 grand, and you give me like 5% for 3 grand, something like that, after you close a deal.
Oh, sure, but not right now because this is what I'm offering them. I want to give them, what do you call it? I want to put, how do I say it? Set up fee. This is my goal to put set up fee at least $300, and I'll give you minimum $200 because you're gonna set up everything for me anyway. So that's the goal. But I offer them, hey, if you want, because I don't have case study, I need testimonial. So I'm offering them, hey, you know what? If you want to sign up with me right now, this is what I'm gonna tell them. My next call, this is like my next arsenal. If you want to sign up with me today, I can remove the setup fee in exchange of the testimonial. But all I'm telling you right now is that the first few clients, maximum 3, is just gonna be low. It's gonna be low for me as well.
Okay.
If I can give you more, I will. But because I don't know where I'm at right now, definitely it's gonna be low. But when we get case study, we get testimonials to show that we can deliver the results or we can deliver more. We know like, hey, with $1,500 US dollar per month, we can get this leads on average. And we can offer them maybe, hey, they don't have to spend 1,500. They just need to spend 1,000, and the extra money we put it on our service fee, and you get more money, and I get more money. So everybody happy. So I just
Okay.
do not know where I'm at right now when it comes to numbers because I need to calculate exactly because I use a lot of softwares right now. I use cold emailing software automation instantly, and I also use
Which
Kohala
software you're using for cold email?
instantly. I use the Pro plan or like the Hypergrowth or something, $100 a month, and I use
I am
Kohala.
one of the specialists instantly. I'm doing email marketing for some of the clients as well. I know how to do that as well. I can take
Cool.
care of that if you want.
Yeah, so I can just handle the sales. I can just handle all the costs and stuff.
I can take care of instantly if you want.
How about definitely. That would be a help, but because I'm doing instantly, but most of my appointments right now they come from Facebook.
Facebook, okay.
So meaning that my instantly strategy is not that successful. But I have a couple already that they said they are interested. I'm just trying to keep following up with them like so
For
badly.
instantly, are you using personal email or domain email?
Domain email. I have like 3 domains, man. I have 980 emails, sending 50 emails a day.
Okay.
And it's not that much. I could be more, but yeah, maybe four. 40 emails a day, not 50. I cannot put it not the maximum.
Okay, no
And then I
worries.
said like,
I am with you. Let's start the business. Once you start growing money, I can start it take over the system. I can start taking over instantly if you want. And if there is an opportunity for me to make more money, then you can count me in. I can join. I can join.
for sure, like I said, man, because this is like at the beginning, a lot of the responsibilities are on me, not on you. This is why like what I'm missing right now is just the Facebook. I understand that $500 is too low. I could tell from what you know and your experience already. It's not that I'm trying to disrespect you. It's just I hope you understand where I'm at right now because I have no case study, I have no testimonial. I'm just offering people based on like an eyeball offers. I just kind of like eyeball it. So once we get signed a couple clients, one, two clients, we have case studies, we have offers. Uh, I'm gonna increase the rate. I'm gonna increase you too, and then I'll see where I'm at if I can handle the whole email or not. If not, I'll give it to you, and you get more money. So at the end of the
Okay.
day, the more work you do, you get more money, and the better results we do, we'll get paid more. I'll offer the clients more. Just I hope you understand that we don't really have I don't really have case study. I know you do, but me, I don't. I don't want to use your work as my offer to somebody else. I hope it makes sense.
I got it. Yeah, it makes sense. It makes sense. And do you know about the high level system now? You have to register the business number, the phone number. Otherwise, it's not gonna work. You won't be able to send money. Sorry, send text, SMS.
Oh, I understand. I understand because I'm not really sending SMS or email from my Go High level anyway. Oh, how do I say? I just use Go High level for the website and also for the automations. I can kind of like record some video and stuff, and then I can make some website or something, and then I can send it to them. Because I only use the basic, the very basic one. That's why I get clients, and I'm gonna upgrade it to the pro plan, and yeah, everything is gonna go on.
No,
I'll be make sense.
are you familiar with the A2P registration for on Go high level? Have you
Yes,
heard
for
this?
numbers, yes. So I know. I don't think it really. I know it takes 2 weeks, 2 to 3 weeks to
Yeah.
kind of like complete the process. But if I don't really use my phone number, do you think it's a problem for me? Because uh, this is my, please correct me. This is my thought process right now. Is that I don't really use the phone number, so I don't really need to set up the A2P. But once I get clients, then we're gonna need to use their business number. We're gonna need to create a new phone number or like a digital phone number for them, so we can make a call and stuff.
So then, how you gonna
Then we
do the
can make
cold
it.
outreach? You have to make calls. You have to talk to them, explain the process, asking for the credit card number. You have to make calls from high level, correct? Or you're going to call them
So
personally from your number?
is it coming from my sub account or is it coming from their sub account? I think that's my bigger question.
So we need
The
two
call.
accounts. One for the company, that your company, uh, or what's the company name?
My company name is Obito Media.
Obito Media. So we need one main account that is Obito Media, and the sub
Yes,
accounts for
I
the
already have
doctors,
it.
and the sub accounts for
Yes.
the doctors who gonna sign up with us. Okay, the patients will land up on the sub account of the doctor, but the client, the doctors will be in your account, OBD Media. You have to make calls from OBD Media. The doctor may call you in. You will get inbound calls from in OBD Media. Who wants to sign up with you? They may call you. You got the point.
Oh, I see. So when I make the call, when somebody from us make the call, it's from Obito Media. It's not from the doctor sub account. Okay, so my understanding is wrong. Okay, so I'm gonna set it up
No, no,
right
no,
now
no.
then.
You're,
Okay.
you're you're not clear. You're not clear. Let me clarify. Clients means doctor. When you calling the doctor, doing the cold outreach to get more sales, you have to call the doctors, and that's what you have to do from OBD Media. Okay?
Oh no, no, that's not what I'm doing. All the cold outreach that I'm doing right now, it's from emails, Facebook, Instagram, and LinkedIn. I don't really do cold calls. Maybe I will do like maybe one like soon, but at the moment I don't really do cold calls or cold SMS through.
Then how
Uh,
you close the deal? Like once a doctor say on Facebook that I'm interested, then you have to
oh, yeah,
call them.
Google Meet. Google me. We're gonna
Google Meet.
yeah.
Okay.
And then if
Okay.
I have to give them a call from like to their phone number, I have like a tax-free app on my phone, and I just give them a call from.
Okay. Okay. That's fine. Then it's fine. And from Google Meet, will the doctor get text reminder or only email reminder?
Email reminders because most well if they give me phone number, then they get a phone reminder too because some I ask people, hey, can you give me phone numbers and your emails to give you like the confirmation and the reminder, and then they most of them they only give me the email.
Got it. Okay. Are you located in Canada right now?
Yes, but I'm targeting uh like in the United States right now. But
In
I have some meetings with like Australia with like in Australia with some clients in Australia today and also some in Canada too. But most of my targets right now are in the States because and I pay you in US dollar. I don't pay you in Canadian or Australian dollar.
and how you gonna pay me? What platform you gonna use?
Can we use Stripe or because
Do you
I
have
cannot use PayPal.
Wise.com? You have
Yeah,
that
I can
option?
use Wife or Remitly. I can use that. I've used those apps too.
Okay, Wise is good for me.
Okay, cool. No
And
no problem
you're gonna
no
pay
problem
me
on mine.
like bi-weekly or monthly? How you gonna pay me?
Monthly. So once we deliver the results at the end of the month, we get paid. That's the deal.
Okay. And are you gonna send me any kind of contract, any paper that you're gonna
I
hire me?
will. Not. I'll definitely maybe not right now because I still have promise with some couple calls after this. A couple people I'm interviewing.
With no offense, don't feel bad, but I need confirmation as well that I work for you a month, and then if you don't pay me.
I will make paperwork 100% before. Like I said, I still have a couple second calls this week. Yeah, I don't want to sign it to you. I don't want to make you sign the paper right now and wait for me. So let's just see this week.
Mhm.
Once I sign them, after I'll give you, once I sign them, I'll contact you. I'll send you the paper. Okay, this is the paper. So I get the deal. I give you the paper, and you sign the deal, and you start working. And I don't want to waste your time. You don't have to waste my time. Everybody good, right?
Got it. And one more thing, I would like to ask you when you're gonna close a deal, ask them their photos or maybe videos so that we can use them on for a Facebook ad campaign. And what are the offer they're offering now, like $47 voucher, $65 voucher, $29 voucher. Take those information so that we can use them on Facebook ad campaign. Okay?
Sounds good. So I have a couple notes here. I just want to make sure if I'm right. So I will need, of course, their business name, their the best like phone numbers, email, of course, just like the basic information. And I'll need some pictures of like any ad copy or like pictures, photos, or we can use. We need some
Mm.
offer,
Yeah.
and also we need some uh, access. Facebook Pixel, is that right? That's what
Yeah.
we need, right? I just want to double check.
And we also add access of their Facebook page. If they have a Facebook page, we need access of that. If they has an ad account, we need access of that as well.
Oh, sounds good. Yeah. So far so good. And you have any other questions?
No, I don't find the website. Is your website active or not?
Yeah, it's active.
Okay, Sebastian, I'll be looking forward to hearing from you. It's been nice chatting with you.
Yeah, it's been nice talking about strategy. I feel like when it comes to my strategy and your experience, it's kind of like on the same page. I kind of like it. It's nice. And yeah, hopefully, let's see how the week goes. And I'm very confident that I will get my first client this week. And I'll send you the paper. I'll contact you. So we start working from there. Sounds good?
Sure. And once you sign up a doctor, take like 3 4 days time from them. No, don't tell them that we're gonna onboard you tomorrow. Tell them we need 3 4 days to do the ad campaign, do the work, and after 4 days we will onboard you on the system. Okay? Don't just onboard them in 24 hours. You got the point?
Oh, sounds good. Yeah, no, no, that's my plan too. I'll make sure that we get 48 hours. But if you want 3 days, I'll make sure 72 hours too. So I'll definitely tell them some like give us some time frame before the next step.
Okay. Okay, sounds good,
All right.
Sebastian. Have a great day. Bye bye.
You too. Have a good night. Bye.